Hi, it's Paul from MTB Pro. This is my stock swing trading analysis and alert video for Wednesday the 21st of February. So let's start with the current open trades. We have Roku. Good move yesterday, increasing volume as well. So really good move on there. We have got earnings after the bell tonight, but at this moment in time, all indications are it's going to be a positive surprise here, hence the last 2 days moves. So I'm going to carry this into earnings and hopefully we can get a big a boost into this bullish move. So looking good so far with Roku. ATI had a very poor day yesterday with increased volume, bit of a sell-off. Can't see anything on my terminal why that was. If it was profit taking, it was quite a large chunk of volume there, but other than that you can't really see anything. They did put their annual report form 10 in yesterday, but other than that it just pulled back. Let's see if it can hold today. So X made the new wave 5 high yesterday. Still above average in volume. The volume did peter off and it did sell off a little bit towards the end of the session there, but closed pretty flat to the previous day's close as well. So those that took profit up here, well done. For me, I just want to carry. I want to get it into this target zone. Whether that can happen today or not, I don't know. The futures are a little bit negative at the moment as I'm producing this video. So whether it will have enough juice to push up through there today, I don't know. But it's good move so far for X. FCX, we had the gap down yesterday. Like quite a few other stocks actually, did close the gap, but then let go towards the end of the session. There's a bit of a sell-off the last couple of hours. Seems to be the pattern at the moment. Let's see if this can hold today and move up. It is setting up very well on the 60-minute chart for a long as well. So I produced that video this morning on FCX on the 6-minute chart for wave 5 trade. With Stay, again, gap down. Indecision doji yesterday. We have got earnings on the 27th of February before the markets for this one, and just see how this performs up until then. SBAC, we had a higher low yesterday, slight decrease in volume. We have earnings on the 26th of February for this one. Let's see how this one progresses. We have got some resistance coming up, and again, unless the markets are overly bullish today, I don't see this going too far. ISRG did have a good day yesterday. We moved away from this consolidation after the trigger. We got the new high, the higher low, and closed just above the previous day's high. So it was a good day. We are clear of earnings for this, so we just got to push through this resistance level that it found yesterday. ABT, gap down, sold off a little bit, no more extra volume really there. Let's see if that can pull back. A lot of these new trades did suffer yesterday with that negative end to the session. Let's see if they can consolidate today. SMFG did exactly the same sort of thing. You know, it's the same sort of pattern from yesterday's session. They've just got to hold support and look for some more bullish moves. BKU, exactly the same sort of thing. We still got the higher high, the higher low with this one though. Slightly lower volume, so which you could read into that there's not a great want to sell off on this stock. So looking good on BKU. Monster, we have got earnings on the 28th of Feb for this. We are back into this previous resistance zone, and we're looking for this to act as support now, and then turn back up, back through the original entry. DHR, exactly the same sort of pattern here with a new trade. We got the slight gap down, not a great deal of price action yesterday. FSLR did trigger yesterday. We have got earnings for this tomorrow after the markets. So those that don't like to carry through earnings, if it comes back around about the entry. There's nothing wrong with getting out and waiting until after earnings. The problem is if it does have good earnings and gaps up, you're gonna miss out. And then conversely, if you do get out and it gaps down after poor earnings, you've had a good job. But at the moment, overall, this is a good bullish move. We've had some good earnings in the past. The last earnings, we had a big gap up and a move up just here. So at the moment, I'm going to hold this through earnings. So let's look at the watch list. So the lot of the watch list yesterday had a bit of a red day, nothing spectacular. Same here with VRX. We've got this 55-day moving average and the little resistance level there. So it's going to move through there and through $20 to get the entry there. KBH, exactly the same sort of picture. The sell-off was a little bit more severe here. And again, we're looking for another new support level and the market's to turn bullish again, and we will be good for the entry at 32.50. DK, pretty flat day yesterday, really, not a lot happening there, just consolidating. BlackBerry, we got a slightly higher high, higher low yesterday. Lower volume though. I think this is going to be in a bit of a holding pattern. We have got earnings on the 28th of March, but I would expect this to, we've got a good bit of time before that happens. So this should push through. We should get some bullish momentum with BlackBerry. NSC did sell off quite a lot yesterday, but it's nowhere near the stop for the order. So the order's still got 147.08. WRD, bit of a green day, higher high, higher low. I think that negativity towards the end of the session yesterday did just affect this, came back to give us an indecision doji, but it's moving in the right direction. Ralph Lauren, gap down, closed the gap, ended up green for the day. So it survived yesterday very well. Let's see if it can build on that now and start to move up towards the entry. CRC, pretty flat yesterday, lower volume, not a lot happening there. Order's still good at 20.68. AAP, the sell-off continues on this one. It's not broken the previous wave 4 low, so the order's still good. There was a lot of volume on that sell-off yesterday. If it does break the stop for the order, just simply cancel it. HP, pretty similar picture there. This volume is still contracting at the bottom, as you can see there, during this consolidation phase. This is either going to go up with a bang or down with a bang. If it goes up, we have got a good order at 68.37. And then finally FDX. This has got a lot of crap to go through basically, but we've got to push through this resistance level here, through this 55-day moving average, above the 6-4 moving average high. Volume's dropping off a little bit at the moment, so we are right with a conservative entry at 253.52. So no more new orders today. We've got a lot on. Still no real decent short setting up at the moment, so let's just see how that goes, and that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.